Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to create and send invoice on Chase Bank. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and sign in into your account on Chase. Once you sign in, here you should go to collect and deposit. Once you go to collect and deposit, here on the right side, you can see this button, create invoices. Then here it will show you here this page. Click on activate, then click on update settings. And after that, you can choose the address that you would like to show customers. You can choose between these options. After you choose, you click on next. Then here it will show you here that you should at least choose one, your email and number. Then click on review. So now I have checked both. Then click on review. Then click on save. And now it tells you that business info is saved. Simply click on create invoice. And now you'll have to fill in all these data. Enter the name. Then here when you click on set invoice number, you can enter the number like this. Start with 1001 or choose my own number. Then click on save. And down below, here you can see more details. When you click on add customer info or this option right here, it will show you more than box to fill in. Once you fill in, you should scroll down till you get here this section. Click on add an item in order to add the items that you actually paid in this invoice. So simply type the item and type its price and quantity, just like so. And make sure that this option is toggled on, then click on save and close, or add another item if you want to add one more item. Now go back. Here you can simply click on add a tax rate if you want to add a specific percentage and name it. Then click on save and close. And after that, scroll down more. You have to check these boxes. Then click on preview invoice. After that, it will show you here the invoice just like so. You can scroll down till you get here, save draft or create invoice. You can save it if you want, or you can create it and download it and copy it. After that, it will show you here this page. Now you can copy the invoice or even download it by clicking on download as PDF. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.